How to create a QR code for a Facebook page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're in the Facebook page, then click on three lines at the top right, and then click on your profile. After you click on your profile, click on the three dots beside advertise. And here, click on copy link at the bottom and copy the page link. After you've copied the link, open Chrome. In Chrome, search QR code generator and then click on QR code generator, which is the first option. After you do that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Now, in here, enter your website or text. Simply paste the link you copied earlier and press on Generate QR Code. It will generate QR code for you. Then you can choose the frame. You can sign up and save the picture, or you can simply screenshot it, crop it, and you're good to go. When you scan the link, it will lead you to your Facebook page. This is how to create a QR code for a Facebook page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.